Good morning. Today in the kitchen I'm making homemade eggnog. The holidays have passed and I realize I didn't make any this year. But my son-in-law loves it, so I'm going to make a quick batch and share with him. Now this is an easy eggnog recipe. It comes together in only a few minutes. Now I do like to make it the day ahead because once it sets in the refrigerator overnight, those spices really come through. It's got a much better flavor the next day. So join me in the kitchen as we pull it together. Now my eggnog recipe is non-alcoholic, and that's the way we like it. But you can add rum or anything that you like. It's personal preference. We want to start out by getting our mixture warm. I put my burner on medium-low to do this. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I used clear. And then I'm going to add my spices, which is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 pinch of salt, and 3 whole cloves. Once you have this mixed together, you want to warm it for about 5 minutes. Once it has warmed for 5 minutes, then turn your heat up to medium-high, and you're going to pretty much have to stir it constantly to avoid scorching. But you want to bring it up to just a boil. Then you'll turn your heat off. Now I'm going to combine 3/4 cup of sugar and 6 large egg yolks in a bowl. I'm going to whisk them together until the mixture is lightened in color and just a little bit fluffy. Now it's time to temper my eggs with the hot milk. Now as soon as you put a little milk in there, you want to whisk right away as to not cook your eggs. You don't want scrambled eggs in this. Now pour it all back in the saucepan and heat it over medium heat. You'll want to stir constantly for about 5 minutes until the mixture is thick and foamy. Do not allow this mixture to boil. Now that it's thick and foamy, strain it so that you can get your cloves out. Then we're going to let it cool for about an hour. She's cool now, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my remaining 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 2 cups of half and half. And then I'm going to mix that together well and put it right back in the refrigerator. Okay, it's cold now and I'm ready to taste it. I'm going to take my 1 cup of heavy cream and whisk it till it's just lightly firm. Fold it into your cold mixture and it'll be ready to pour and serve. That's delicious. Rich, creamy, like a milkshake, sweet, wonderful. Give it a try.